folks, we've got yet another beautiful 500-gallon offset pit rolling out shop today. This one's going to my man Terrell. He has got a really slick setup here, so let's check it out. Now, first off, you will notice it is on our tandem axle trailer package. All right, this setup's got dual 6,000-pound axles, brakes on the rear. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house and we design them around your setup. So it makes for a really nice fitting trailer. A lot of storage built into them. We build one of the stoutest trailers, powder coated finish as well. All right, gloss black on this one. We do have other color options available. Let's check the pit out here. So this is our 500-gallon offset tank. Counterweights are standard on a 500. You get both sliding top rack, 3 grates on the bottom. They are removable. We've got a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there. The fold down stack is standard on all of our tank smokers. Now check out the wheel and tire package here. We've done the white wall tires, paint matched wheels, baby moon hubcaps. Of course, we paint match our TMG logo as well. Stainless steel fender topper. That way you can set stuff down top of your fender and not mess up that fresh powder coat job. Now on the firebox, all of our tank smokers get fully insulated fireboxes. We've got a 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, right with insulation. Doors insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes this pit a dream to run. And on the back side here, we've got one of our folding stainless prep tops. So that lifts up. You got all your storage underneath. Set your couple coolers down there. Plenty of wood for the day. Fold it back down. Prep off of it, serve off of it. You're ready to go. Up next, we've got our 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Guys, this is a very popular option to add on to our trailer units. Raise and lower. You're great with these. We got double doors here on the front to tend your fire. Built-in grease traps front and rear. But that's not it on this setup. We've also done our 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer here and a double burner setup with our folding griddle top. The griddle top folds up out of the way, sets your pot or pan up there. Everything's independently regulated. Finish them off with a matching spare up here, 2 propane tanks in the neck. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.